All right, so I want to really bring up this huge myth that images are better than videos, videos are better than images. So here's where I answer that, okay? Here's what you have to understand is it depends on what niche you're in. If you're selling like Shopify products and impulse buys, videos will win no matter what. Because videos express the excitement, they express the emotion, they express the feeling that the buyer is obviously going through. So, and it just allows them to stay more attentive. When they see an image, they think of an image as just like a still thing. There's no emotion to it. If you're selling like digital products like myself, most of my ads are picture ads because I want a more of a lifestyle image. I want to show people what, I've been able to obtain with this exact method. So when you think about images versus videos, it's more about like what is your niche and what do you know is going to get their attention more. So other niches are like, for example, local businesses. I think local businesses would do better on video, and that doesn't not say that you can't just run like simple text Google ads. I run a lot of Google ads for tons of local businesses, and those do way better than Facebook ads. But when you're running like a special offer or something that is more high ticket, you need a video because there's no emotion in a picture if you're selling something that's like, a couple $1,000s for a local business. So to destroy this myth, it is all depending on your niche. So like I just run a lot of images. My video ads do very well, but it also depends. Like obviously, if you're selling like a hair cutting service or you're selling like beauty products, you're selling like massages and like massage tools and all these different Shopify products that I've been acquainted with, then yeah, you want to run a video ad because no one's going to be able to see how it works, what the testimonials are, and obviously what the benefits of the product are just from an image, because not everybody believes the actual copy in your ad. They more so are going to believe the actual video and what they see, because what they see is what they're going to get.